The trade course that was made available for 2 weeks also included carpentry and mechanic training. These saw students learning the trade skills required, which students particularly liked, as they allowed a more hands-on experience for them. For the carpentry course, the students were able to identify the uses of carpentry tools, measurements, leveraging for basic woodwork requirements, which also included concrete mixing and tiling.
How to tile the bathroom, how to make a cement, yeah, that's all. Like, if my dad wants me to help him to fix the table, I'm sure I'll have the opportunity to do that.
And what really amazed the community was that they saw the completion of a major project that had been in their work plan for over 5 years, being accomplished within the 2 weeks by these trainee students. The mechanic classes introduced the and on the know-how of working vehicles. These involved students fixing tires and car engines.
I learned how to fix the wheels and to learn about how to fix the tire wheels and generator and engine, and trucks, that how to fix a machine that is not working. I want to be a mechanic. For my future, I want to be representing for my future mechanic. I want me to learn how to fix a bike, a truck, a car, or in the garage and fix cars, bike, take the people's machine in there, fix it, tell them what is wrong with their machine, and they say the power pack, take the power pack off and make a new one. I'll back home, help my dad fixing the red bike, and my dad can show me how to put the wheels on and how to put the gears on.